Now, I like all types of puddings, but I love treacle pudding. And here's my go-to recipe. Usually you would steam this in a pot, but it takes an hour or two. But using the Tefal Cook For Me Connect, I'm going to be able to pressure cook this in 40 minutes, and it's going to be so moist and absolutely delicious. And the Cook For Me comes with a steamer basket, so we're going to put our pudding dish in here, which I've already buttered. So I've softened some butter, and into this I'll add some sugar, along with some vanilla bean paste. We want about a teaspoon. And you want to mix this until it's light and fluffy. And you can see why you want your butter to be quite soft. Makes it so much easier to mix together. Okay, once it's light and fluffy just like this, we can start incorporating the eggs. So 3 eggs, and you want to add 1 at the beginning, incorporate it, and then add another one and another one. Okay, the eggs have been incorporated nicely, so now to the dry ingredients. And I highly recommend adding a little bit of the flour, so say 1/3 of the flour, and this is self-raising flour. Then add some milk, add a little bit more flour and then some milk. And by alternating them, we're going to get a beautiful smooth batter. I'll also add some baking powder, and this is going to give it a lovely lift. And instead of using a whisk now, I just use a spatula just to gently fold the last 2 ingredients in. All of the flour has been incorporated and we are ready to go. It looks fantastic. So in with the treacle. Now you can use golden syrup, but I really love the flavour of treacle. It's very similar, but it's got more of a molasses deep flavour to it. You can see how dark and rich it is, and that's why I love it for this particular pudding. So I just want to cover the base of my pudding dish. It's looking good. And like I have said, I've buttered it really well just so it doesn't stick to the sides. And you can choose to demould it if you like or serve it in the dish. So we're going to pour our mixture in, and don't forget there's self-raising flour and baking powder in there, so it will lift a little. So this is a 3-cup capacity dish, just so we've got a bit of space to move. And just to ensure it steams nicely as it pressure cooks, I'll add a piece of baking paper just over the top. And then I'll cover it with some foil. And just wrap that around so it's quite tight. And I have placed some water in the Cook For Me Connect just so it does steam nicely. We'll place the basket in. And because this is the Cook For Me Connect, you don't have to remember each stage. Via Bluetooth, you can get the full recipe on your phone and all the steps. It just makes life so much easier. So now we're going to lock the Cook For Me, and I'm going to pressure cook this for 30 minutes. Now I start at 30 minutes. I'll check it. If a skewer goes in and it comes out nice and clean, we'll know it's ready. If it's not, we'll just cook it for a further 10 minutes. All right, the pudding is cooked. Let's open this up and I'll take off the foil and the baking paper. Oh, look at that. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? Now, like I said, you want to check this. So just using a skewer, pierce it through the center, and if it comes out clean, just like that, you know it's cooked, just like any other cake. So to take this out, just carefully remove the basket. And you can serve it as is, or you can flip it. And I feel like I'm in the mood to flip this pudding so we can see that beautiful treacle topping. So because it's still hot, I'll just use my tea towel, take it out, and we'll get a plate and just place it on top. And we'll give it a flip. Oh. And just for good luck, I always like to give it a bit of a tap on the sides, and in one quick move, just take that off Oh, look at that. How fantastic. You can see the treacle, it's soaked into the pudding and it's left a gorgeous layer. I just love this. And you can serve it with some ice cream, you can serve it with some vanilla bean custard or just some good old dollop cream. And when I serve this, I just serve a generous amount of dollop cream right in the center of it and take it to the table as is. Make that for your guests, they're gonna love it. And the best thing about it, when you cook it in the Cook For Me, it takes 30 minutes as opposed to an hour or two. That's very impressive.